Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring important winter gardening tips for countries that have snow. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Winter gardening in snowy countries can look a little intimidating, especially if you are used to warm days, soft soil, and plants that grow quickly. When temperatures drop and the ground freezes, it feels like everything slows down. But winter is actually one of the most important seasons in the garden. The choices you make now will decide how healthy, strong, and productive your plants will be when spring finally arrives. Let's start with the basics. Tip 1. Prepare the soil before the first snowfall. Soil is the heart of your garden. When winter arrives, the moisture freezes, expands, and compacts the ground. This can make soil dense and hard for roots to grow in. You can help protect your soil by adding a thick layer of mulch before the first snow. 2 to 4 inches of mulch is enough for most areas. You can use shredded leaves, straw, pine needles, wood chips, or even grass clippings if they are dry. The mulch acts like a blanket. It protects roots, keeps the soil temperature steady, and reduces erosion caused by wind and melting snow. Healthy soil in winter means stronger growth in spring. Tip 2. Help your perennials go into dormancy safely. Perennial plants return every year, but they need proper care before winter. Most perennials naturally go dormant when the days get shorter. Your goal is to prepare them so they rest comfortably until spring. Start by trimming back any dead or damaged stems. This prevents pests from hiding in the dried growth. Avoid trimming too aggressively. Some plants benefit from keeping a few inches of stem above ground. After trimming, clean the area around the plant and remove fallen leaves that may harbor disease. Then add mulch at the base to protect the roots from severe temperature drops. The mulch also prevents frost heaving, which can push roots upward during freeze and thaw cycles. Do not apply fertilizer late in the season. Plants do not need new growth in winter, and tender new shoots will freeze quickly. Tip 3. Water deeply before the ground freezes. Plants still need water in winter even though they are not actively growing. Dry roots are more vulnerable to cold damage. Before the ground freezes, give your plants a slow, deep watering. This helps the soil hold warmth longer and lowers the risk of winter injury. If you grow evergreens, shrubs, or young trees, this step is especially important. They lose moisture during winter, and frozen soil makes it harder for them to absorb water. A final deep watering supports them through the coldest months. Tip 4. Protect young trees and shrubs. Young trees and shrubs have thinner bark and weaker root systems. Winter winds, heavy snow, and freezing temperatures can stress them. To protect them, wrap the trunks with burlap or a tree wrap. This prevents sun scald, frost cracks, and damage from small animals. For shrubs, you can create a simple windbreak using stakes and burlap. This helps reduce moisture loss caused by strong winter winds. If you have evergreens, loosely tie their branches with twine. This prevents them from bending or snapping under the weight of snow. A little protection now can prevent permanent damage later. Tip 5. Avoid piling snow onto your plants. Fresh snow can be helpful because it insulates plants and protects them from harsh winds. However, shoveled snow or snow that has been packed down can crush stems and branches. When clearing your walkways or driveway, avoid pushing heavy snow onto your garden beds. If you see thick snow on shrubs or small trees, gently brush it off using upward motions. Avoid pulling down on the branches. Never shake a branch that is frozen because it can snap easily. Tip 6. Protect potted plants. Potted plants are more exposed to freezing temperatures because the soil in a pot cools down faster than soil in the ground. If possible, bring your potted plants into a shed, garage, or indoor area where the temperature stays above freezing. If they must stay outside, group the pots together in a sheltered spot. You can wrap the pots with burlap, bubble wrap, or even old blankets to protect the roots. Elevate the pot slightly so water can drain during snowfall or when ice melts. Remember, healthy roots mean healthier plants when spring returns. Tip 7. Use cold frames or mini greenhouses. Cold frames and mini greenhouses are great tools for winter gardening. They trap heat from the sun and create a microclimate that is warmer than the surrounding air. This allows you to grow certain vegetables throughout winter, even in snowy areas. Hardy vegetables like kale, spinach, carrots, and green onions do well in cold frames. You can harvest them slowly through the season. Cold frames also help you start seedlings earlier in late winter. Be sure to open the cold frame on sunny days to let out excess heat and moisture. This reduces the risk of mold and keeps plants healthy. Tip 8. Avoid stepping on frozen soil. When soil is frozen and covered with snow, it becomes easier to compact. Walking on frozen garden beds compresses the soil, making it difficult for roots to grow and for water to move through the ground. Before winter begins, set up simple pathways with stones, wood planks, or stepping stones. This keeps you from accidentally stepping on areas where plants are resting. Light soil is key to strong spring growth, so protecting it now is worth the effort. Tip 9. Choose plants that can handle winter conditions. Not all plants struggle in winter. Some actually prefer the cooler temperature. Others tolerate freezing ground and come back stronger in spring. Learning which plants thrive in winter helps you build a garden that keeps going year after year. Some good winter choices include garlic, winter onions, kale, spinach, carrots, and hardy herbs like thyme. You can also plant cover crops such as winter rye to improve soil health. Cover crops prevent erosion, add nutrients, and help loosen the soil for the next season. Understanding your plant options helps you create a productive garden even when snow is on the ground. Tip 10. Use winter to plan ahead. Winter may feel slow, but it is the perfect time to prepare for the next growing season. Clean your tools, check for rust, and sharpen anything that needs attention. Organize your seeds, pots, and labels. Take time to research new plant varieties and plan your garden layout. Ordering seeds early increases your chances of getting popular varieties before they sell out. If you plan to start seedlings indoors, prepare your grow lights, trays, and soil in late winter. Good planning makes spring gardening easier and more enjoyable. Bonus tip: know your hardiness zone. Every region has its own winter temperature range. Your USDA hardiness zone tells you which plants can survive the winter in your area. This information helps you choose plants, decide when to sow seeds, and know the safest time to move plants outside. When you understand your zone, gardening becomes more predictable and less stressful. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the important winter gardening tips for countries that have snow. These tips may seem simple, but they protect your plants, improve your soil, and set you up for a strong and rewarding spring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!